Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Time Sticking channel. My name is Jake for those of you who are new, and today I am very excited to share with you everything you need to know about these limited edition Mario Kart Tag Heuer watches. These watches are some of the funnest watches that I have seen in a very long time, and may I say are a breath of fresh air. So without further ado, let's hit that green light, run the intro, and boost right into it. In 1985, TAG, Technique d'Avant-Garde, a French company that manufactured high-tech equipment such as ceramic turbochargers for Formula One vehicles, and Ron Dennis, a British businessman, acquired Heuer, the Swiss watch brand, forming TAG Heuer. Heuer and Motorsport have a long, rich history together, complete with historic appearances in films. As well, the brand's watches have appeared on the wrists of history's most well-known drivers. Arguably the most famous driver in history, Mario Andretti owned several Heuer watches. He was awarded 2 Autavia Reference 3646 chronographs for being fastest in qualifying for the Indianapolis 500 in 1966 and 1967. Jack Heuer, the great-grandson of Heuer founder Edward Heuer, presented a distinguished 18-karat gold Carrera chronograph to Andretti to honor him. It seems natural, with their racing background, that TAG teamed up recently with the other famous Mario as well, Mario Kart. For those of you who don't know, Mario Kart is a series of racing games developed and published by Japanese gaming giant Nintendo. First introduced in 1992, the obvious question being, who hasn't played Mario Kart? The game is a phenomenon with 164 million copies of the series sold worldwide to date. The luxury Swiss watchmaker collaborated to create a pair of Mario Kart watches, the Formula One chronograph and Formula One chronograph Tourbillon, both versions filled with references to the game. The 44mm chronograph version, limited to 3,000 pieces, retailed for $4,300 US. The 2 o'clock pusher and crown features the Mario M symbol etched on the crown. There is a Mario Kart logo engraved in the case back along with the outline of Mario in his cart. The dial features a racing checkered pattern, and Mario is found in the race car inside the 9 o'clock position subdial. The date window at the 3 o'clock position, meanwhile, regularly features Mario Kart items such as the banana and the superstar. The 45mm chronograph Tourbillon, limited to 250 pieces, has an upgraded complicated movement, of course, along with its high-performance gray titanium case. The Tourbillon window at the 6 o'clock position features the blue shell, Bullet Bill, and Mario are seen chasing each other continuously. All fun and games, including the price. This watch retails at $26,500 US. Not your average watches, albeit expensive, but are they worth it? Mario's fans think so, as both watches have sold out, according to TAG Heuer's official website. TAG Heuer has a proud history in motorsports that includes Formula One racing, ties to Steve McQueen in the 1970 film Le Mans, and more recently, renewing their multi-year partnership with IndyCar and Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Add to that, Mario Kart 2. Whether you're fortunate enough to own one of these treasures or not, remember rule number 1, use the boost start trick to get off the grid quickly.